Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 5 best pruning shears for indoor plants in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Felco F2 Classic Manual Hand Pruner. In all seriousness, the Swiss company Felco makes an amazing bypass pruner. Each blade is a high-quality hardened steel blade that's built to cut easily. Easily sharpened, they make quick work of whatever you need to cut through. Lightweight handles are dipped in a slightly cushiony plastic material that is easy to hang onto. Further, the bumper is cushioned to offer shock absorption and reduce strain when you close the blades. Slightly ergonomic in shaping, the handles provide maximum force with minimal effort. I consider these to be the best pruners out there, without question. Made the same way for over 50 years, Felco's hand pruner is used worldwide by professionals and amateurs alike. They are easy to maintain, can be micro-adjusted to adjust for blade wear over the years, and will last you for a lifetime. In fact, they have a limited lifetime warranty to prove it. These are truly some of the best garden shears on the market today, and it's worth the money you'll spend. Number 2. Our second best pick is gonicc 8 Professional Premium Titanium Bypass Shears. A drop-forged body and handle securely hold steel blades that have been coated with titanium. Able to cut through 3/4 diameter tree branches with ease, these are a strong and very functional model which are capable of doing their job well. Their non-stick handles have just enough padding to reduce blister formation and provide a comfort grip for your hands. On the lower jaw, a sap groove enables gooey material to come free of the blade and reduce sticky situations. Whether you're trimming branches or tidying up your shrubbery, you'll find these to be a great pair of shears for an excellent price. Number 3. Our third best pick is Fiskars Professional Bypass Pruning Shears. Ergonomic handles are just the start for this pair of bypass pruners. Adjustable blade tension makes it so you can fine-tune and control your cutting force and precision. A sap groove clears away sticky material with ease, enabling you to keep working despite oozing branches. Able to cut branches up to 1 inch in diameter, Fiskars professional blades can be easily replaced when they wear down. They're comfortable in your hands and will make your job go smoothly and easily. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Hydrofarm HGPP 400C Precision Curved Blade Pruner. The curved blade on these pruning snips allows you to effortlessly harvest flowers in quick succession. Get the perfect cut each and every time by simply exerting light pressure on the grip. The pointed tips allow you to get easily between leaves and stems to easily trim out the exact one that you want. Surgical stainless steel blades are easy to sterilize and to keep clean so that you don't have to worry about spreading plant diseases. These come with a handy holster, making it a breeze to have them available at a moment's notice. Ideal for use with hydroponics grows or in a traditional garden, these snips are the perfect thing for a quick and easy trim, and are a great choice. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Fiskars Softouch Microtip Pruning Snips. These are not designed to be used on heavy, hard, or woody material. For green, fresh materials such as flower or leaf stems, these are phenomenal. I use them for harvesting basil, pruning back my massive amounts of catmint, and separating beans from the vine. These are also great for shearing off wheatgrass cleanly without pulling it out by the root, or trimming back old cat grass before starting a new batch. And if you're trying to do detail work on your miniaturized plants, these get in tight spaces without crushing damage. They're great for people with small hands, but even people with large hands can put these to good use. All things considered, I can't sing the praises of the Fiskars design enough. Given the number of other companies who are emulating the style, I think everyone else agrees. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.